Hello, welcome to today's Logic Pro quick tip about automation quick access. You are either going to want to punch me for not telling you earlier about this, or you're going to say, thank you very much, hit like and subscribe, and everything is good with the world. So let's hope it's the latter. Where do you find it? We go to Logic Pro settings, automation. So it's in the automation section of settings. And it's down here, automation quick access. It is probably off if you have not discovered it. So when you turn it on, what it's going to ask you to do is identify a controller. So I have got on my keyboard a series of buttons and knobs. I'm just going to use this one at the end to assign to automation quick access. So I click assign, and then it says slowly move the control you want to assign. So all I'm going to do is turn that knob from its lowest extent to its upper, and when I'm happy with that, I click done. There you go. Automation quick access is now set up. And if you didn't know about this, it took me ages to work this out. But for example, we've got this synth here that's got a high cut frequency on it. Because high cut frequency is currently the selected automation, when I move this knob now, you can see that line is moving. It's automatically using whichever controller. So it looks at which track you're on, which parameter you've chosen to control, and it just automatically assigns that button to it. What we could do now is set that to latch, go back to the beginning, how easy was that? And then you go to your next track that you're mixing and you realize, oh, this is drums. We've got a compressor as a plugin on this one. So over here you can see there's a compressor. It's got some settings already defined, but threshold is the one I'm interested in. So what I do, go to the track, come down, find the compressor. Threshold is down here. I can twiddle the knob to see the values change, and if we start with a low value, so there's no compression, and then we'll slowly build it up, and hopefully you'll hear the difference. Let's put this in latch mode as well so it remembers what we're doing. Back to the beginning. And literally all I am doing there is turning that one knob. It's working for whichever automation is set. Remember to open up the automation page first, but you can record whatever you like with it. And it's a great way, for example, of trying different things out. So if you were thinking, oh, what happens if I change the knee or the ratio, you could actually have this just playing back and listening to it. You don't have to actually put it into latch mode and record what's happening. So I don't know what's an obvious, I tell you what is an obvious one, is on channel EQ, let's turn on oops, I think I just did that. Low cut frequency. on the wrong track. Make sure you've selected the right track. So high cut frequency is already doing something. That's what we did originally. What we could do is delete that visible automation. This time we could go to the low cut frequency. You can see that changing. And that's doing the opposite. Want to record it, put it in latch mode, back to the beginning. It's absolutely brilliant. A technique I wish I'd known about way earlier than I did. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.